Hey there. As you find my channel and as I'm new to YouTube, I just wanted to take some time to introduce myself. My name is Austin. I have a beautiful family. I live in Nebraska. And one of the things that I love to do is woodworking. And so this is a channel all about woodworking, with a little bit of acreage life mixed in. My family and I live on about 2 acres. We've started an orchard. We have a garden. I built a greenhouse. Just fun stuff. It's what I like to do, work with my hands. I don't claim to know everything about what I'm going to do on this channel, but that's the joy of YouTube. I watch YouTube to learn things, and I hope to use YouTube as a tool to teach other people how to do things. I hope to build very high-end furniture, and I hope to build a whole entire shop that I can do it in even. I have big dreams for me as a woodworker, for my family, and maybe this is a business. If you want to join me on this journey, then great, subscribe or leave a comment. I just wanted to say hi, and we'll catch you next time.